Hi, good news. You're cleared to go.
Thank you, bro.
Wow, thank you po. Thank
Welcome,
you.
welcome. Ano meron?
Wala lang, gusto na ka tayo trip.
Okay. Ma, pa, ano ito?
Actually, anak, si Sofia ang nag-organize ng party na to.
Yes. Well, I heard good things about you sa hospital na. And I'm so proud of you.
Salamat pa. Means a lot.
Sobrang busy mo na, anak. Namimiss ka na namin, wala ka ng time. Eh, kayo ba ni Sofia? May time pa?
Time management lang yan.
Eh, kailan naman yung time na isa-surprise mo kami?
Ha?
5 years na tayo. Wala ka pa bang plano magpakasal tayo?
Big decisions take time. Hindi yan minamadali.
Ano ba? Nakakahiya. Kinukulit na nga ako ng parents mo.
Huwag mo naman sabihin na hiwalayan mo rin si Sophia. Eh, pang ilan na yan? Panlima? Napaka-comfortable life. A loving family. A promising career. Tapos, a very beautiful soon-to-be wife. Ano pa bang kulang?
Doc, kumusta?
Ay, sister. Eto po, okay naman. Kayo po, kamusta?
Lalabas na ako, magaling na ako eh.
Po.
Actually, didiretso ako sa retreat. Baka gusto mo.
Oh.
No one hates his own flesh, but rather nourishes it, even as Christ does the church. Just as Christ is head of the church, that he might present himself to the church in splendor, without spot, or wrinkle, or any such thing, that she might be holy and without blemish.
Doc, okay ka na?
Sister, parang di ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko. I'm so overwhelmed with this feeling. Akala ko I have everything, pero ang dami kong kulang. At I'm searching for a deeper meaning, a sense of purpose. Parang ang dami kong kailangan gawin. May mga...
Magtiwala ka lang. You're in the right place.
My Lord God, I have no idea where I am going. I do not see the road ahead of me, nor do I really know myself. But I believe that the desire to please you does in fact please you.
Kamusta retreat?
Puso ko'y binihag mo sa tamis ng pagsuyo. Tanggapin niya rin.
This hall is a very historic place. because it is a place of beginnings and endings. It is in this area where the Society of Jesus welcomes the young men who have decided to start to live the religious life as a Jesuit.
Kalinisan, pagdaralita, pagtalima, aking sumpa.